All right, friends, welcome. This is a quick video on how to use the BookBeam. All right. So here you have the home page of BookBeam. All right. They have their community and all that. Okay, here you can do check trademarks. Okay. They have book tracker. They have listing optimizer. They have opt-in page with a description formatter for you to write your description. I don't really find all this interesting. Okay, so the things I find interesting are this Chrome extension, niche finder, keyword researcher, and category explorer. So let's quickly look at some of the things here. You can pick a book and then track the books. So here are some books that are being tracked. All right, you're actually tracking to keep a track on how this particular book or books will be growing every day. So you know whether to opt in or go out. All right, the complete cookbook for young chefs. So you see, it's having see the sales trend and then up and down, up and down. So you can actually check these out as this is the trend. Okay, so when it came September 24th. All right, so it made 465 in royalty, 465 29th. Then on the 30th of September, it dropped to 330. It peaked again 389 with 99 BSR on 1st of October. So keeps growing. And then on the 4th of October, it dropped to 177, dropped. So whatever made it drop, probably their launching or promotion stop. So here on the 7th of October, it grew to 538 per day in royalty. So on the 9th, 536. From 538 to 536, a bit drop. All right. So today is ninth. That of tomorrow, today is 10th, is already building up. Today is not over yet. All right. So this is how you keep checking, picking a book to track so you know whether you're going to be doing this book or not. Okay. So can check it 1 year. This is like giving you historical chart of this book so that you know whether to write, get into this title or not. Revenge of the Tipping Point. All right, so uh, you have the keyword research. The research, so you have the niche finder, which is what I find very interesting. All right, so you can do for different marketplaces. These are the Amazon major marketplaces: the United States, UK, Denmark, Italy, France, and Spanish. All right, so you can do this pick. You can check for top selling published books. Okay, you can also check for new high selling self published books, the books that that they published newly. All right, top self published books with low star rating. If you want to check them out, is selling, but it has low rating, and you want to see how to build and do something better. Trying to do better than what others have done, beating the competition. You can check for top self-published books with low star rating, top self-published book with low rating also. So you have top selling self-published journals, notebooks, planners, top self-published word search books, and coloring books too. This is just for coloring books alone, all right? And then when you hit on this, um, you pick its books. You can even do keywords, put keywords, all right, but then make it self-published, not all publishers, because you're a self-published author. So set it on self-published. So as for me, I like using 35,000, but then you can stretch it to 100,000. So between 1 to 100,000, all of these are set. Then you can choose the category you want. All right, you can say self-help, you can do self help, you can do any category, and then you hit find the book. When you hit find books, it will come to this area and show you books that were independently published for you to see what is happening. Like this one, 212,000. An independent publisher like you and I is making $212,000 every month. This one is 187,000. This is coloring book making $187,000 every month. All right. I know this guy is a lot. Wayo Coco. Right. So this will let you know. So you pick books you want to write on. Okay, very interesting. All right. So another thing you may have to check this extension. You have to download it. Put it, and once it's here, once you've downloaded it, I have it already. So once you downloaded it, go to manage extensions. Okay, scroll down completely and say allow. You toggle. You say this. You just toggle it to allow in incognito. All right, because that's where you're going to be using it, and that's what you have here. All right, is here, and that's the reason for all of this. You see, which gives you the amount every book is doing. Okay, so this can also give to you. Uh, just let it load. All right, so still loading. That's when we'll come back to that. So now there's something they've introduced newly, which I find very interesting, is category history. So with this category history, you begin to know what did well at a point in time. All right, we're looking at self-published history of self-published book that did well during Christmas, Easter. There's Easter. There's Valentine's. There's St. Patrick's Day, Thanksgiving, and Halloween is still not yet available. So you can even choose this period. Can take October is out of it. Is out of it. So December. So this period you can create books. So this is letting you know that this Q4, these are books you can create that will sell very well. And among all, Airfryer Cookbook is there, and you have several other low content books, self help books. All right. So these are the season self help books. So using this category history, you'll be able to see what you do. All right. So these are the category histories. So you can begin to check for every category here to see what's really sold at a point in time. This season last year, that's actually what it's showing to you. This season last year, the books that really sold, so that you understand and then pick what to write and the titles to write this period and how to go about it. Okay. So this trademark checker. So here you're able to put your check your trademark. You can put a book and then you make your research here. You can make your research here. So another area is the keywords. So keyword research too. So here you just type in any keyword to find the keyword, and it will let you know how profitable the keyword is. So this is an amazing one they've also done. Reverse keyword too. So this reverse keyword, you're going to use this to see everything your competitor have done by adding the let's say uh, let's pick one and just practicalize it. So pick this. Right. So just put the ace in. It can be in either marketplace. Just pick the book from that particular marketplace and check, and you find this. So you're going to see the keywords where this book is really ranking. So you can use it for seven back end keyword. You can also use it for your advertisement. All right. So and you will see it. It will also show how much the book is making from those areas. Healing from abusive relationship. Can you see? Can you see? See every keyword this book is ranking on. Emotional health in recovery. So you can use this now for your seven back end keyword, competitor seven, 2000, just like that, like that, like that. So, gaslighting isn't true, you are just crazy. So, these are keywords that this guy is ranking on. Okay, so that is this reverse keyword two. So keyword generator. Here you can type in a particular keyword and it's going to generate several other related keyword for you to use for advert or for seven backend keywords too. You can check them, Kindle, audiobook, audible, and you can say all and it will do all at the same time for you. Okay, optimization, category explorer. I don't really do this. Okay, I don't do this. I don't do this. So you have the list optimizer, list optimizer. So giving you details of these particular books, okay, and what is helping them more. There's A plus content description. So it helps review and rating at least 20 rating average, blah blah blah. So BookBeam is actually a very powerful one. You can watch tutorials here. Description, I don't really make use of it. I write my description. It's not like it generates descriptions for you. You know, it helps you format your description. So you can use AI editor opt-in page. So, but what I find most interesting here is the book tracker, the niche finder, category history, okay, and then keyword research to the keyword area. So this is actually a simple way to make use of BookBeam. All right. If there's anything you don't understand, still let me know. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe and then share, like, and comment. Bye bye. See you soon.